the quiz number 2.2, quiz 2. So the first question is here point out the error if any in the loop. So it is a program int I equal to 1 for, actually this is a correct format. The 2 semicolon is necessary, the minimum requirement for loop. So it's a correct declaration. And then the printf here the value I plus plus, then if the condition is break. So the answer is here the error in the corresponding code, there is a no error. There is a no error value, there is a correct one. Then the second question, then print point out the error. So here int I equal to 1. So while loop and printf. So actually the while loop doesn't have any condition. So that is a wrong one. While loop must declare with one condition statement. So the answer is there should be a condition in the while loop. That is a correct answer. Third question, that is a correct write C statement. Loop is okay, repetition, block execute group of statement repeatedly, correct. Loop is usually executed as long as the condition is met, correct. And loop usually take advantage of loop counter, yes. All the statement are correct answer. So all the above, the answer is all the above. And the next question is to find the output of int a equal to 25. So while a less than equal to 27, so actually the value of a 25. So how many times it's execute? 25, 26 and 27, because it's equal. So the answer is 25, 26 and 27. And choose the correct C statement. It is a plus plus. A plus plus means there is a post increment. A minus minus post increment, and minus minus a is a pre increment. Plus plus a that is also the pre increment. Plus plus a, it is a pre increment. So all the above statement are correct. So then the output for this code here, double k equal to 0, and I am declare the for loop for k equal to 0.0 and k less than 3.0. So the first iteration 0 less than or equal to 3.0. So first is a correct. So then the statement is executed. Then the next one, the next thing here, the second iteration, the value of k equal to 1.0, sorry 2.0. First one 1.0, then 2.0. Third iteration, the value k value is 3.0. So the final output value is 3.0000 is the output. And the next one for FOO is one that is a function. So it is a declaration is correct, and if the condition is false means the corresponding statement will not execute. And the most important thing here, I am not declaring any open parenthesis close. So the first printf statement is a statement, block of statement of for loop, not a second statement. Second printf is out of for loop, that is a separate statement. So if the condition is false, this statement will execute, after loop will be execute. So this is the answer. And output of below program here, here I equal to 0, I less than 5, j equal to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus, count plus plus value. So the first time count will be performed in 5 times, then second one 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25 times. So the count value will be 25. Then the question is output, find the output. Actually the plus plus I or I plus plus, that is a correct format, not plus plus I then I plus plus. We cannot write like this, so it gives the compilation error. That is a output. And this is both statement is true, the for and the minimum requirement is 2 semicolon, and printf color, there is a no initialization, there is a no condition, there is a no increment statement. So what will happen means the hello word will be printed infinite times. That is a infinite times. So that is a output for this. So hello is printed infinite times. So these are 2.2 questions. Then 2.3. So in this 2.3, the condition, the first question is choose a correct statement about C language and arrays. Array address is address of the first element. Yes, it is correct. And array size must be declared if not initialized immediately. Yes, this is also the correct statement. And the array size is sum of all the elements. Yes, that is a final array size. So all the statement is correct. And the next one, what is the output for C program? Int main and int okay, the declaration of array and the declaration of values. Declaration of values. Here a of 4 1 2 3 4, then print of, and okay, everything is correct, but the declaration is not correct, because you have to declare continue with this open and close brackets. That is a correct declaration of array. We cannot split the corresponding declaration, so it's compilation error. And the next thing is this is a program. Here character grade ABC, that is a grade array, and the grade is %d. %d is refer the integer value. So the first one is refer the a value ASCII is 65, and the second grade is also grade of 0 is a value. So 65 is the correct answer. And which is the following is correct one, correct way to declare the multi-dimensional array. So that is option C. C is a multi-dimensional array correct declaration. And what will be the output for the following code? Here the a of there is a two-dimensional array. So you have to print all the lines. So 1 2 3 4 5. So every time all the array will be, the last value will be stored in 0. So the A is a correct answer. And the code is int a of 3 20 30 40, and int b of 3 there is no value, b equal to a. So b equal to a, it is assigning value from one array. So print of means actually this give compilation error, because you cannot assign like this. B equal to a is not a correct format to assign the value to one array to another array. There is a string copy or array, the format of store all the elements using for loop. That is a correct format. So the next one, what happen when you try to access an array variable outside its size? So outside its size means we cannot get some garbage value will be returned. If you have try to access the outside of array means the garbage value, someone garbage value will be returned for the result. And the next thing, what is the output of C program with arrays? So here the declaration, the array value size is 4, and the printf value array size. So here it is a random number. Why? Because the random number means the array of 4 is a size. Here the array of size means it's not refer any particular number. So the random number will be print for this statement. And the next one, what is the output of C program with the multi-dimensional array? Int main int arr 3 2. So 3 2 means there is a multi-dimensional array. Here the 0 0 and 2 1, 0 0 2 1. So the first value of 0 0, here 0 0 is a first value, and 2 1 is the last value, because after finished the first iteration, the second is a value of 2 1 is the last value, 2 1 is the last value of 6. So 1 and 6 is the correct answer. and one dimensional array A has so the indices is 1 to 75. 1 to 75, one dimensional array, the value of A is 1 to 75. Each element is string and takes up the 3 memory words. So remember 3 times calculated, and the location is started is 1120, and the string starting address is A49. So 49, what is the range of this statement? Actually here the value of 3 times and the starting value 1120, so 1120 plus 49 means 48 because it starts from 0. So 48 star 3, the value is 1264. The corresponding value is 1264. Okay, the next statement, the 2.4, quiz number 4. The first question is the function returns the number of characters that are present before the terminating null character. Before terminating null character means there is a string length. String length is a correct function to find the corresponding terminating the null character. And what is the format specified used to print the string and character array? So the printf and scanf, that is a %s. %s is a correct format string for the specified string statement. And the answer for this statement I equal to 0, so the string value, so it is a null character checking. So what will happen means the input value is fine, input value is KLMN. So here the value of empty will be stored, the value will be checked, it is not equal to empty. So what is a string of array? Actually this is a compilation error because there is no string with the scanf. If I am getting the string means the string of array is not equal to 0, the printf of %character in individual array. So what will happen? KLMN, each and every value will be print, K and L and MN. So second is the output, this is output. And the next statement about the string value is printf is capable printing yes multi-word, and putS is also multi-word, getS is also command line and accepting multi-word. So all the above is a correct answer. And the next one here, the character of string and the string value here, char str1 John and str2 20. So the output is here you cannot declare the John and 20, it's not equal, and we cannot print or store the corresponding string 2 to output because the value of str will not store in the str2 because the string declaration and the corresponding character string will not work here. So it gives the compilation error. Actually it gives the compilation error because it is not correct format to assign the corresponding value to one to either I want to use str copy function. So this is the wrong function, so compilation error. Then the output for this code ABCDF and ABCD, there is a 2 string and string copy, and the value of the first string, the value of, so this is the answer, str2 is not greater than str1, so it's checking with the ASCII values. So this is the result. And the next one, size of A, size of B, there is a function, size of A and size of B. So the size of B will take 2221. 2221 is a correct answer because each and every variable will be stored in the individual bytes. And the output for this Jackie Jackson means each and every statement will be print one by one. So the same statement will print. B is the correct answer. And so Andaman, it is also same statement. The same string will be the output. Andaman is the output. And the last question, the choose correct C statement about the string function. So the function correct int n, the strlen means there is a integer. So integer will be stored. STR uppercase means this lowercase will written as a ABC. It's also correct. Lowercase means it's written as ABC. So all the statement is correct.